Hey guys, and welcome to Ask William. Today I'm going to be unboxing the 75cm or 30-inch foldable landing pad for drones by PGYTECH. This pad is also available in 22 inches or 55 centimeters. I will also be giving you tips and tricks on how to safely use it and store it. When purchasing the pad, you get the impression that you have the choice between orange and blue. But this is not the case. This is a double-sided landing pad with orange printed on the one side and blue on the other. Let me know in the comments below what your preference color is. I personally like the orange, but I have a good reason for that. I'll explain that in a second. Another advantage of this pad is it can be folded up into a very small space, and assembly is as simple as taking it out of the bag. From here, the landing pad will automatically spring into shape. I chose the 75-inch for this unboxing. For me personally, I think the bigger size is more noticeable from the air, and it fits a wide range of drones and terrains. Another tip is, the color of your landing pad almost represents the return to home location on your screen, so it's a bit easier to wrap your head around it when returning your drone purely on map mode. Not only does it protect your camera during takeoff and landing, but it also prevents your propellers from hitting long blades of grass, sand or stone. The 75-inch is a decent size and would prevent most kind of debris from hitting your camera or gimbal. Okay, let's see what's inside. Weighing in at only 340 grams, my first thoughts on the packaging is lightweight, simple and to the point. The pad on the front, what's in the box, and instructions on the back. The only negative thing about the package are the 2 QR codes you can scan at the back. Most people prefer to watch a video on the setup, but upon scanning the main QR code, it just takes me back to PGYTECH's website without a direct link to the product. The second QR code was clearly placed there by the seller, because that one links to the purchase page, which is a bit silly because you're unboxing the product, that means you already bought it. Many people see the outside of the package as a throwaway, but I've seen guys leaving it intact and using it as a sun visor in bright conditions. If you don't care about the sun visor, just tear it off or cut it off from the bottom seam. Your second option would be to simply slide the carrying handle from the groove at the back and slide the carry bag out to the side. Make sure you know how to reverse this process if you want to take the outside sun visor with you. Hands-on, you can feel that the carry case is made from a heavy-duty canvas fabric. The outside seems to be water-resistant and is about 30 centimeters or 12 inches in diameter. A large H with PGYTECH's branding on the front and a smooth surface on the back. At the top, you have a handy carrying handle. Unzipping the carry case from the side, you can now clearly see a 28 centimeter or 11-inch folded pad with both colors clearly visible. Inside, we find a set of 8 reflective striped stickers for night landings. 2 PGYTECH stickers in black and white, as well as 3 ground pins for holding down the landing pad on windy days. Now remove the bag from its carry case, then place it back again so you can get used to how it fits when you have to pack it up. From here it's pretty basic, just open it and it'll spring automatically into place with the blue pad on the one side and the orange pad on the other. Getting it back into shape is another story, but we'll get to that soon. If you plan to do night flying, you will want to attach the 8 optional reflective stripes, all on the one or 4 on each side. Here's an example of what the reflective stripes looks like, coming in for a night landing using only the LED light at the bottom of the drone. Attaching them is pretty straightforward. Line them up beside the H and press them down on the outer edge of the white circle. I must warn you, the glue on these stickers are useless. They started coming off the very first time I took them out for a flight. I suggest you glue them down with proper glue the first chance you get. Just make sure that the adhesive you use is fabric safe. After all is said and done, this is what you have in the box. Your landing pad, 8 reflective stripes, 3 ground pegs, 2 stickers and a carry bag to put it all in. Once outside, simply take it out and place it where you want it. If it's a windy day, you can use the included pegs to secure it to the ground. Just make sure that the latch or hook part is facing outward, then simply press it into the ground. Just a quick tip here. These pegs tend to get very messy when removed, so I suggest washing them before packing up, or placing them into a separate plastic bag you bought from home. Folding it up is a bit complicated, but with a bit of practice, you'll master it in no time. The trick is, place both your hands just above the left and the right ground latches. Now fold it in half while pulling both sides towards you. Then line up the circles and place it back in the carry case. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing tutorial. Let me know down in the comments what your drone of preference is and what type of landing gear you prefer. If you found this video to be useful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post more videos. From me, William, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.